everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Amber. This is Fabricating Fringe. Today I'm talking to you about this beautiful wig before I go ahead and change it up. This is actually from TressAllure Wigs and this is called Sleek and Straight. I'm really excited though because I'm going to be using a new tool on this Sleek and Straight wig. It's a new tool from TressAllure and I'm going to be adding curl to this wig. But before I did that, I wanted to show you guys this wig the way that it comes in the box. So anyway, I wanted to do a review on this here Sleek and Straight wig before I went and changed and altered it up with their new awesome styling tool. In fact, this is the styling tool for your reference. It's called Cool Flow Dual Styler. We'll get more on that later in the next video. But for now, let's talk about this beautiful style, this beautiful wig. It's called, like I said, Sleek and Straight by TressAllure, and this color is 1426 R10. Now, I didn't know if I would like this here wig because now that I've worn like the lace fronts, the monofilament tops, you know, had the room for multi-directional parting. Sometimes when you move on up to some of those more luxury caps, you think, oh, am I gonna like something that doesn't have that ability? But honestly, this is a really, really awesome wig and it's really cute with this bang. I like that. And if you are a bang gal, you really might love this wig. And the nice thing is, if you don't like that sleek, straight appearance, you can get the bang and you can use a tool like this and you can change it up. So, you know, stay tuned for that. Let's quit going back into the tool and let's talk about the color of this beautiful style and move on to the specifics of this wig. So 1426 R10 is your light red brown, gold blonde highlights, rooted medium brown. So you have that gorgeous rooted medium brown. Most of you guys know I love a rooted wig. I just feel like, I don't know, it has a natural appearance with that root. Plus, you know, everybody wants a root. They go get that smudge root, that balayage, that kind of ombre look. But even without the ombre, the balayage, it's more natural to me having kind of a little bit of a grown out root. It's uncommon to have that bright blonde appearance without some regrowth. And also if you do go get highlights on your biological hair, it's just common sense that if you do have somewhat of a root, you can prolong your color if you do have some sort of a root, because you don't have to go in as soon to get touch-ups. So roots have become something that a lot of people do like to get, and in the wig world, it gives off that more natural, realistic appearance, in my opinion. So I do like that rooted color of that medium brown. And then of course you have that light red brown and that gold blonde highlight going on with this gorgeous color. So this is definitely a warm blonde. I think it's lovely. A lot of people were wearing like their grays, the gray blondes, the platinums, which I do love. People were steering away from the warmth. They were reaching for the grays, the platinums, the whites. And I do believe that having some warmth within your blonde is it's just so warming. I don't know how to explain it, but it can just warm up the skin tone, and I think they're really pretty. So don't be afraid of those blondes that have some warmth in it. Not that I'm opposed to the blondes with the platinums and the whites and the grays. I do love those as well. But I do think it's really pretty when you get the goldens and the reds and the strawberries and things like that. And this is a very, very pretty color. Sleek and Straight is your sleek precision cut wig. You have precision cut layers on this beautiful style, and as you can see, it is sleek and it is straight. You have feathery blunt cut bangs. I wouldn't say that the bangs are bone straight. It kind of has like a bend or curve to it, which I do like, because the rest of the style does have more of a straight appearance. I did use this curling tool on a piece right here and then tried to re-straighten it really quick before I started this video, so you can see kind of a bend in the fiber. But for the most part, this is a pretty straight, sleek wig, just like the name. The layers fall just below the shoulder, below the collarbone on me, and you do have, like I mentioned, kind of like choppy layering throughout. In fact, let's do a full turnaround so you guys can see this beautiful style and the layering all throughout. The fibers are fantastic. They are synthetic, but they feel nice and light. The denier, it just feels like natural human hair, although it is synthetic. This cap is very comfortable. The wig as a whole is very nice and light. I feel like it looks very natural looking. This beautiful style does come in an array of gorgeous TressAllure colors, so you'll have to check it out. There are a lot of brick and mortar and online locations. You can check out their website for store locators, and I'll have a link down below. Now, like I mentioned, this does not have a lace front, and the majority of this wig is machine wefted, but you do have a mono crown. I'm not sure if you guys can see that or if I'm holding my head in the right way, but when I do take this wig off, I will show you that mono crown more close up. But what a mono crown is, you have that that material, that hand-tied material at the crown, and that gives you the appearance of hair growth at the crown, kind of where people have more of a cowlick, or kind of where the hair parts at the crown. So that just kind of makes it look like the hair is splitting naturally right at that area where, you know, people tend to have hair just naturally split. And because you have a beautiful, fun bang, it's not necessary to have that lace front. They did a wonderful job. I think it looks fantastic. And we'll go ahead and take this wig off and show you the underside. So what you have on this crown is this circular stitching with your wefts for a natural top. It makes the hair just flow on this wig cap just naturally, the way that it flows down on the cap construction, as you can see. Because it is machine wefted to hide the base materials and give it some volume at the crown, at I guess the base of those wefts, you might have just a slight amount of permatease. That's kind of just like the teasy, more full appearance. It looks really nice and light and smooth. I mean, you can't even see the permatease. Some people are very concerned about the amount of permatease a wig has when it is machine wefted, and I think they did an absolutely wonderful job with the permatease on this hairstyle, and it gives it the gorgeous silhouette that you see right here on this sleek and straight wig. Look at the cute bang. I mean, it just looks awesome. You have a cool comfort cap, so the rest of the cap is open wefted. It's nice and cool. You have great air ventilation, and then you have your velvet ear tabs with the bendable wire and the velvet nape with the adjusters at the nape. Those adjusters make it so that you can loosen and tighten your wig at the nape and make it fit your head more true to size. Now, like I mentioned, you do have that mono crown. You have this material that is individually hand tied right at that crown area to create that split where people have kind of a cowlick, and that gives the appearance of natural hair growth. As you can see, it looks like that hair is growing out of your scalp. Look at that beautiful color. You have the highlights and you have that red, gold blonde. It looks very dimensional, has a lot of depth. It is so pretty. You can see the layering and that straight look, kind of choppy, precision cut. So pretty. Okay, let's put her back on. The nice thing with this bang is you can fluff it and wear it all forward. If you wanted to, you could kind of slide it towards the side and kind of have a light side swept bang, as you can see. It's just really cute. You could wear a headband. You honestly could put some clips in it. It's just a really cute wig. It's a nice length and it feels nice and light. In fact, let's talk about the weight and length of this style. The total hair length is 3.5 inches to 16.5 inches. The bangs are 3.5 inches, and layered from the crown is 11 to 16.5 inches. The cap size is average at 21.5 inches. I wear average in the majority of wig brands. My head circumference is 21.5, and this fits me really well. It feels very, very comfortable. I would say that this wig is true average in size. The weight of this here sleek and straight wig is 4.23 ounces. I'm really excited to try out their new tool, this Cool Flow. So check that out on the next video coming up very soon. I want to see what this sleek and straight style looks like with a little bit of wave or curl. We'll see what we can do. This is a really cool styling tool. So we'll talk about that, kind of demo it, and talk about more, details on this here tool. But definitely go check out this here sleek and straight wig, available at many retailers that sell the gorgeous TressAllure wigs. I want to thank you guys for watching. If this was helpful, please like and subscribe. Let me know what TressAllure style is your favorite. Comment below, and please follow TressAllure on their social media platforms. I'm over on Instagram, and so are they. Thank you again for watching and stopping by, and until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.